What if the unthinkable happened? What if Nazi Germany actually won World War II? A victory that would reshape borders, crush democracies, rewrite culture, and create a world unrecognizable from today. In this video, we explore an alternate timeline, one where Germany triumphs, the Axis powers dominate continents, and a new world order emerges. This is not a celebration, but a chilling look at what might have been. Let's begin. For Germany to win, several key events would need to unfold very differently. Hitler would successfully defeat the Soviet Union. Britain would either sign a peace treaty or be forced into submission, and the United States would stay isolated. By 1943, the Axis powers Germany, Italy, and Japan would stand unchallenged across Europe, Africa, and Asia, and the world would prepare for a new political reality. Europe would be transformed into Germania, a continent-wide empire. France would be split, the north annexed, the south turned into a puppet state. Poland would be erased entirely, absorbed into Greater Germany. Scandinavia would function as a resource zone, and Eastern Europe would become a brutal colony designed for forced labor and German settlement. Germany planned to rebuild a super colony in Africa known as Middle Africa. This mega-territory would stretch from modern Namibia to Tanzania, swallowing Belgian Congo and other regions. In Asia, Japan. Germany's ally would dominate the entire Pacific, including Australia, Indonesia, Korea, and huge parts of China under a puppet regime. North and South America would remain independent at first, but politically pressured and economically cornered. The Middle East's oil fields would be split between Germany and Italy. The world would essentially become bipolar, not between the US and the USSR, but between Nazi Germany and Imperial Japan. Germany would dominate Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. Japan would control East and Southeast Asia, the Pacific, and potentially Australia. The US might remain powerful, but isolated, cautious, and surrounded by two massive authoritarian blocs. Instead of the UN, Germany would establish a pan-European council, controlled entirely by Berlin. Peace would be enforced through fear, not diplomacy. Most democratic nations would disappear or exist as puppet states. Freedom of speech, press, religion, gone. With no Cold War between the US and USSR, the world's tech race would be very different. Germany would prioritize rocketry, weapons, and early computers. Japan would dominate naval and aviation technology. Even as allies, tension would grow. Two massive empires, two expanding economies, and limited resources means one thing: a new, even more dangerous Cold War. The world would be darker literally and politically. Education, culture, and media would be controlled. Languages suppressed. Minority groups persecuted. Migration nearly impossible. Globalization, multiculturalism, international cooperation. These concepts would barely exist. The Reichsmark becomes the major currency across Europe and Africa. Trade routes controlled by Berlin would determine the global prices of steel, oil, machinery, and agriculture. Industry would be centralized, with forced labor driving production. The Japanese yen becomes the economic power of Asia and the Pacific. Asia's resources, rubber, oil, minerals, would fuel Japan's industrial dominance. The US would survive as an industrial power, but isolated, trading cautiously with both empires. Its dollar would not become the global reserve currency. If Germany had won World War II, the world would not simply be different. It would be unrecognizable. Borders redrawn, freedoms erased, cultures suppressed, and a global order built on fear rather than cooperation. If you found this alternate history exploration interesting, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell us which scenario you want us to cover next.